Anyway, speaking of that, why don't we lighten the mood?
Okay.
Bezos is under attack, so he does exactly what you would do if you were being criticized for being too powerful. You buy your next door neighbor's house to add to your inventory of homes that you own. A $10 million house in a nearby property to one of his properties in Beverly Hills. He's got enormous properties in D.C., Seattle, where he's also famously bought up his neighbors, because when you're really, really rich, that's what you start doing. I don't know.
Neighborhoods?
Yeah, I don't know if you knew that.
Not yet, no.
Yeah, you didn't.
But soon.
For you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Back in April, Bezos paid a record $165 million for David Geffen's Jack Warner Estate 10-acre compound in Beverly Hills. Now he's added the neighboring property to that property at $10 million. Some say it may be a home office, a guest house, or maybe he'll just knock it down to have a bigger yard. Who really knows? When you have that much money, you run out of things to do with it. And again, it's just a funny juxtaposition, this news story to the last one. We're really not doing that well. Okay, we're kind of doing all right. In 2014, Bezos paid $13 million for a rundown home next door to his former Beverly Hills compound. Those other properties were actually obtained by Mackenzie Scott, of course, his ex. She accumulated some of that property as well. He is the planet's richest human. On any given day, depending on what's going on in the stock market. In the late 90s, he acquired several properties around his Seattle estate, and he also owns 4 apartments in the same Art Deco style Manhattan building. 3 of them acquired from music executive Tommy Mottola. So he's got to have 4 apartments in the same building in Manhattan as well.
Of course.
I guess you know what it is, Will. At some point, you get a little bit rich and you start to acquire cars, let's say. You start to collect cars, and then you get stupid, enormous, ridiculous. Well, maybe not stupid. I mean, it's not stupid. I mean, stupid rich in the sense that you have to start acquiring slightly more unusual things like your neighbor's property.
Yes, that's what you do. You're
but
a millionaire.
What else are you going to do?
Yeah.
What else are you going to do? I guess you could do what his ex-wife did, and give a lot of it away. Although I'm pretty sure he gives a lot of it away too. But there you go. $10 million on the neighbor's house. Willie Doo's going to start running that program sometime soon.